Hello and welcome everybody. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Sushi Swap platform, another token swapping platform. I'll showing you how to trade on it and also all of its features and settings that you can use on it. But before we get into that, I'd like to mention ANY, our sponsor for today's video. They're an online crypto trading platform that is easy and fast to use, and also they're having a special event, which, as you can see, it starts in almost 30 minutes. You can win a Tesla Model 3 if you sign up, and also win different types of cash prizes. The event starts today. Make sure to sign up. It will go on for several days, so you won't miss it if you don't sign up in 30 minutes, but the sooner the better. So join in the futures competition. Also, FTMO, our affiliates. If you want to trade with other people's money, if you want to keep up to 90% of the earnings for yourselves, FTMO is a place. You just have to prove to them that you're a capable trader. Okay, so Sushi Swap. It's basically like the rest of the crypto swapping platforms, but it has its let's say advantages. But before you do anything on it, of course, you have to connect your wallet. They have a moderate range of supported wallets. I'll be using Metamask. Once you click it, you have to select which account you'll be using and click connect. If you aren't on the correct network, you might need to swap. For example, oh, never mind. It actually this is what I'm talking about. Once you swap, it automatically changes, while most of them don't support multiple networks like this. So it will automatically swap to BNB, which is great. So, for example, I want to swap BNB to Sushi, standard row, just type it in, it will convert it. If you have the balance, of course, it will be able to trade it. It has your expected output, the price impact, minimum received after the slippage, all the necessary information here. But just a moment. Oh, legacy is actually already activated. Okay, that's good. So you have your slippage here. You can set it. You don't have any prefixes, so it's manual. If you wanted to set it to 1, 2, 3, etc, 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 but you don't want to, most of the time at least, you don't want front running, except if it's failed transactions. You can set your deadlines here, like 30 minutes, 60, etc, if you're not really in a hurry. Basically, as it says, if it passes this timeline, it will revert it, so you get your money back. You also have your export mode, which basically means that it will disable any warning prompts, and it will let you trade with high slippage. So if you want to do that quicker without any delays, you can disable this, but only if you know what you're doing. And multi-shops is basically trading across other platforms. If you want to follow them to have basically the same paths and be on only the same networks, you can disable this, and it will allow you for basically quicker trades and lower risks of failure. And that's pretty much it. It's a good platform. I use it time to time, so yeah, I recommend it. Well, anyways, I hope this helped you. Remember, this is any financial advice, and see you next time. Good luck.